Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. Today, me and my partner will present our article entitled Good Grades but No Direction, the reality many college students face today. This topic discusses a common issue faced by many students, even though they achieve good grades and actively participate in various activities, many still feel uncertain about their future. Through this presentation, we will explore why this happens and what students can do to find direction. Next slide. Okay, before that, let us introduce ourselves. Me, Ajeng Pramadita Irawan.
And me, Kairunisa.
I have a quote, success is not only about achieving good grades, but also about finding a direction that gives meaning to those achievements. When we think about successful students, we often imagine students with high GPAs, active organizational involvement, and various achievements. However, academic success doesn't always mean that students know exactly what they want to do in their future. Many students still ask themselves questions such as, what should I do after graduation? Did I choose the right major? Or am I ready for the job market? These concerns are understandable, especially considering the current situation in Indonesia. According to Statistik Indonesia or BPS, the unemployment rate among university graduates reached 6.13% in 2026. In addition, around 1.01 million university graduates were unemployed in 2025. These figures show that obtaining a degree doesn't always guarantee a clear career path or immediate employment. Many students know how to succeed in a class, but not all know where they want to go next. Next slide. Okay. So, why many students feel lost even though they are studying at university and working hard toward their goals? Based on our discussion and supporting research, there are four main factors that contribute to this feeling. Having many opportunities is a privilege, but choosing among them can be overwhelming. First, students face too many career choices. Second, social media often encourages unhealthy comparison. Third, academic pressure can create stress and uncertainty. And finally, family expectation may influence students' decisions about their future. So, let us discuss each factor in more detail. Next slide. Okay, in the past, career options were relatively limited. Today, students have access to a much wider range of opportunities, including careers in artificial intelligence, technology, digital marketing, content creation, entrepreneurship, and data analytics. While this may sound exciting, having too many choices can actually make decision making more difficult. According to the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs Report 2025, around 170 million new jobs are expected to emerge globally by 2030. As opportunities continue to grow, students may struggle to determine which path best matches their interests, abilities, and long-term goals. Instead of feeling confident, some students become overwhelmed by the fear of making the wrong decisions. Another factor is social media. Platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn have become part of students' daily lives. Everyday students are exposed to posts about scholarship, internship, exchange programs, and various achievements. While these posts can be motivating, they can also lead to unhealthy comparisons. A study involving 1,204 young adults found that social media use was associated with higher employment anxiety. As a result, students may begin to feel that everyone else is progressing faster than they are. They may question their own achievements even when they are actually making good progress. The next factor is academic pressure. Many students are expected to maintain good grades while also participating in organizations, competitions, internships, and volunteer activities. Balancing all of these responsibilities can be very challenging. Research shows that 73.2% of university students experience moderate to high levels of stress. Constant pressure to perform well may cause students to worry about their future and doubt their abilities. Besides academic pressure, family expectation also play an important role. Many parents hope that their children will pursue stable and respected careers with good financial security. Although these expectations usually come from love and concern, they may create additional pressure. Some students feel caught between following their personal interests and meeting their family's expectation. These different pressure often appear in students' everyday experiences. The next slide shows several common situations that many students can relate to. Next slide.
Next, real-life examples. To make this more concrete, here are some real situations students go through. First, doubting their own major. A lot of students realize after a few semesters that their major doesn't actually fit them. Usually because they pick it due to parents, friends, or just because it sounded like it had good job prospect, not because they actually like it. Second, fear of entering the workforce. In a survey of over 1,000 students, 28% said anxiety was their main emotion about the job market. The most common answer by far. That's because the workplace don't just look at your GPA. It's look at communication skills, adaptability, and experience, things we sometimes haven't built yet. Third, feeling left behind. This goes back to social media. We only see people highlight reels, the scholarship, the job offer, the internship. We never see the struggle behind it. So we start thinking, why is everyone moving forward aside me? The key takeaway here, none of this is personal weakness. It's a shared experience. Okay, how students can find direction? Now, for the important part, how do we actually move past this feeling of being lost? There are 4 steps. 1. Get to know yourself first. Ask yourself, what do I actually enjoy? What I'm good at? What kind of work makes me feel excited, not drained? You can explore this through interest assessment, internship, or volunteer. The better you know yourself, the more confident your decision become. 2. Build a career plan, even a simple one. You don't need to know exactly where you'll be in 10 years. Just start small. Improve your English, learn a digital skill, look for an internship. Research shows that students will plan ahead feel calmer and less anxious about their future. 3. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Academic advisor, career counselors, alumni, friends, and family are all there to support you. You don't have to figure everything out alone. 4. Set realistic goals. Stop comparing your progress to other people's highlight reels on social media. Success really happens overnight. Every small step you take is actually building towards something bigger. Okay, next, so to wrap up, feeling uncertain about your future is not a personal failure. It's completely normal, especially in a world where career paths are changing this fast. In fact, that uncertainty is often just the beginning of understanding yourself better. Remember the 4 steps. Know yourself, make a plan, ask for guidance, and set realistic goals. I want to close with one line from the article. Feeling unsure today don't determine tomorrow's success. College is just about getting a degree. It's about building the mindset to handle whatever uncertainty comes next.
Okay, before we closing our presentation, I would like to give a last quote again. Feeling lost is not a sign of failure. It is often part of the journey toward finding direction. And finally, we've reached at the end. Thank you and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.